Hello, sir. Good morning. Hello. Sir, my voice is audible, sir?
Yes, sir, it's audible.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Sivaram, sir.
Sir.
Good morning,
sir.
What is the time now in Saudi Arabia, sir?
It's 7:33 a.m.
Oh, so early. Okay, it's okay.
Yeah.
In India, 10 o'clock, sir.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, hi. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Sorry, there's a bit delay from my side because of some technical issues with my office laptop, which I tried.
Yeah, it's okay, sir. No problem. So probably at what time it is going to start, sir?
I've been told, I think it's 10 to 10:30 inauguration, followed by the
no problem.
Sessions.
So good morning, sir.
Yeah, hi. Good morning, everyone.
So sorry for delay, sir. So good morning to all. Myself, Dr. P. Namrata, convener and head of the Department for Computer Science and Engineering and convener for this faculty development program. So a hearty welcome to all the participants for the 1-week online faculty development program on role of big data and cloud in the era of transformation. On behalf of Department of Computer Science and Engineering, I welcome all the delegates who graced the occasion. I would like to welcome our correspondent ma'am, V.K. Padmavatama ma'am, MD sir, Raghunath Reddy sir, Director Srimati V.K. Shivani ma'am, Principal Dr. Sayed Suraya ma'am, and today's chief guest, Sri K. Sreenivasulu Ramanujam sir, and our today's session resource person, Dr. A. Sreenivasulu sir. A very good morning to all sir and ma'am, and welcome you all to this inauguration. So now I would like to request Principal Ma'am to address the gathering.
Thank you, Madam. Good morning, everyone. This is Dr. Sayed Suraya, Principal of Gates Institute of Technology. I welcome and to today's chief guest, Sri Ramanujam sir, and today's resource person, Dr. Sreenivasulu sir, for this 5-day FDP program. And I welcome all the esteemed faculty members from different institutions for this 5-day FDP program focusing on the role of big data and cloud in the era of transformation. As we gather today, we recognize the immense impact of technology in reshaping industries, business, and education. In this rapidly evolving landscape, it's crucial for us as educators to understand and adapt to the significance of big data and cloud computing. These technologies not only redefine how information is managed, but also present new opportunities for innovation and research within our academic community. Our institution has always prided itself on being at the forefront of educational innovation, and this faculty development program is an example to our commitment to providing our faculty with the tools they need to excel in their roles. The knowledge and skills gained here will not only benefit each of you individually, but will also contribute to the collective strength of our academic community. So throughout this program, we aim to equip you with the knowledge and tools to integrate these advancements into your teaching methodologies, research endeavors, and our overall academic pursuits. By understanding the role of big data and cloud in this era of transformation, we are better prepared to guide our students towards a future that demands proficiency in these fields. I encourage you to actively engage in discussions, share insights, and embrace learning opportunities presented during this program. And I am delighted to welcome all the dignitaries who have accepted our request to be as a resource person and as a chief guest for this 5-day online faculty development program. And I would like to express my gratitude to the organizers of this 5-day faculty development program, facilitators, and all those who have worked tirelessly to make this program a reality. Thank you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Over to you, Namrata. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for addressing the gathering. Now, without any late, as our management correspondent ma'am, MD sir, director ma'am are busy. They're out of station. So I would like to request Tanzim to introduce today's chief guest, Sri K. Sreenivasulu Ramanujam sir.
A very good morning to one and all. I take an immense pleasure to extend a warm welcome to our special guest and introduce our special guest, Sir K. Sreenivasulu Ramanujan, who is an academic council member, delivery manager, cloud unit in Tata Consultancy Services. Sir K. Sreenivasulu Ramanujan did his master's in computer application from Nagarjuna University, Guntur. Sir pursued PhD in HR with Vishwesvaraya Technology University in Belgavi, Karnataka. Sir worked with ECIL Hyderabad for 2 years, a wealth of knowledge and experience in various fields such as PL, SQL, C, COBOL, Unique-based Oracle, relational tools, Microsoft tools, etc. Sir worked on many industries such as banking, telecom, energy and utilities, insurance, HR and cloud. Sir K. Sreenivasulu Ramanujan played many roles as project manager, delivery manager, program manager, workforce manager, academic interface program head. And also Sir has 27 plus years of industry experience. Sir has a great passion to connect with academic to bridge the gap by sharing industry skills. Being a mentor, and this fetched him many TCS GEMS awards. Sir has hobbies like playing cricket and learning tabla. Currently, Sir is working with TCS Bangalore as delivery head, AWS Cloud Unit, and talent transformation. Thank you.
Thank you, Tanzim. Thank you, sir, for accepting our invitation in a very short period. We have approached you. Thank you, sir. Now I would like to request our chief guest, Sri K. Sreenivasulu Ramanujam, sir, to address the gathering and motivate the participants.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks, everyone. Good morning to all. People who are from outside India, probably good morning or good afternoon. Thank you so much for this great opportunity to be part of the faculty development program initiated by the Gates Institute. So all the key stakeholders of the institutes, I would like to congratulate for this couple of days of FDP program. Wonderful to be part of this event today to share, set the context. I would say maybe few minutes. All the faculty who participating, next few days, to learn the relevance of the technologies which are very, very, important today, be it be big data or the cloud or any other new technology. The kind of eminent speakers which they have identified, next few days, I'm sure, some of the content which they are going to share may not be available even in YouTube's or Google's or etc. So it is going to be a great learning experience for all the participants. Wonderful to be part of this event today. So from an industry perspective, probably I'll just set the context with a couple of examples, and then I'll leave it to all the speakers to take it forward, further, next few days. See, we all know, the day by day, the kind of data which is going to grow, in any industry you take. It is something going to be extremely high. I mean, as you are all faculty, you do appreciate, how difficult or tough, when we were the students maybe a couple of decades ago, to hold the data, be it in a 3x4 size of a floppy disk or maybe a CD. Today, hardly anybody uses to, move the data between, device 1 to device 2, etc. Now, with the click of a button, they are able to get the access and they are able to store the data, be it in a pen drives or hard disk, etc. Or maybe getting a, their own cloud storage to park all their data, be it in photographs or videos or any other documents, etc. So, if I take an example, let's say, Amazon, something we all, do huge amount of retail shopping, e-commerce, where hardly we decided to go to any store to buy any product. So imagine amount of data which they are going to generate day by day or minute to minute, right? So if I log in and registered with my details to Amazon.com, same way with everybody and all the, I hope I'm audible. Can somebody confirm? Hope I'm audible.
Yes, sir, it's audible, sir.
Great, thank you. So if I take this as an example, all of us, everybody, every day, every minute, every second, people do lot of retail shopping, through online portals like Amazon. Imagine the amount of data which is getting, generated every day, every minute. So handling this, trillions and trillions terabytes of data, or whatever you call it, to the power of n data, handling this such a big data is something very, very difficult. We don't know if we ask for a, address, let's say, maybe sometimes people give a proper template to enter their data or address or anything. It can be, entered in their own way, right? So the form of data which is getting, updated into their systems are be structured data, semi-structured data, or unstructured data. So industries are, the database data mining or data handling people, in the, employer perspective on the other side, in this example scenario, Amazon, they are able to extract these all categories of data and going to, I would say, identify the pattern of the data, and using good amount of tools, and able to handle the data in a much better way, right? So be it be you call it as a Hadoop or Cassandra or MongoDB, whatever the databases, you big data tools, you name it. So all these tools are going to help these employers or the database handling people like Amazon to handle the data very, very effectively, identify the pattern, and by me, placing some products, maybe in let's say Diwali sale, right? So X number of products which I buy, maybe in the coming New Year sale, Christmas sale, or probably the Bogi Sankranti festival sale time, they are able to identify the pattern of my buying, my appetite, my behavior. They are able to come out proactively with me in an email. You may be probably looking forward to buy this kind of products, and this is a discount you may get from different vendors. And the data, believe me, it is going to be so accurate. Almost 90% of the people, based on their proactive recommendations, people like me may tend to buy, as per their recommendation during the next sale. So in this exercise, the employer or the retail owners like Amazon able to retain the existing customer and making them loyal, and also beating the competition, right? Instead of going to maybe Snapdeal or Flipkart or any other portal. I'm not marketing any of the Amazons or Flipkart. As an example, I'm just trying to convey. I mean, as you all appreciate being a faculty, so handling the data has become very, very easy today and very, very essential, because with the help of data mining tools, and big data tools, they're able to extract and, retaining and expanding their business in a much more, wonderful and effective manner. So that's very, very important. Beating the competition to be in line, and relevance to the market and relevant to the consumer, requirement is very, very essential. So that's where, unlike olden days, if you take a bank as an example, if my database capacity, let's say it is around 10,000 customers, I'm just taking example to understand to the another topic which has been identified as a theme apart from big data. If bank is having a database capacity of 10,000 customers, suddenly, if my bank is opened another branch, maybe next to Gates Institute, and suddenly the new admitted students or new faculty, etc., opened a bank account to get their be a salary or to pay their fees to the college, etc. And if the number of consumers or customers are going to grow suddenly from 10,000 to, let's say, 10,500, right? I need to question myself, if I'm the database admin, whether my database is going to handle the suddenly heap of this huge number of customer, increase. In a normal sense, obviously it will be a challenge, right? So it'll pop up beyond 10,000 people who logged in, too many people logged in, wait for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or it will give some runtime errors also. I'm sure some of you would have experienced that, right? But today, there won't be hardly such scenarios. Why? Because every majority of the bankers are using, cloud infrastructure, right? So they do have some kind of an elasticity where, even suddenly my database capacity is, let's say, only 10,000. Even 5,000 within no time, is going to grow. It will have an elasticity, and suddenly my database from the local system is going to have a challenge. It will, trigger to the nearest regional data center where my cloud database is going to grow with EC2 and so on, different concepts in cloud infrastructure. Whatever the number is going to be, it will grow, right? So cloud is another, environment friendly, cost effective, infrastructure, be it as a platform or maybe as a software or infrastructure. So on all the key areas, whomever, doing the business with internet as an key enabler, definitely, infrastructure is going to handle without any glitches, and it will handle, very, very effectively. So my message to all is the big data and cloud are something going to be very, very crucial, and it started already part of the Industry 4.0 revolution. These are the key digital technology spaces, and it is going to continue. This is one of the important areas. Today, industries, are struggling to have the right knowledgeable, skilled people in some of these areas. And if there are really people and they are really hardcore. So my sincere appeal, all the audience or faculty, to extract the good amount of knowledge in these areas and see that how effectively you are going to imparting the knowledge to your students with good amount of application knowledge, which is very, very important. When they come back to the industry, we do observe at times they may be good at in their certificate as academic percentages. When we look at their application knowledge, there is a sizable amount of gap is there. So my sincere appeal to all the audience or a faculty to see that get them a good amount of hands-on experience or hands-on practical knowledge to gain the application oriented information in this kind of digital technologies, as industry looking forward to collaborate with many institutes to ensure that giving a helping hand to the institute whomever ask for, and ensure that the students are going to be well knowledgeable in these new digital relevant technologies. That's what industry is looking forward. I mean, I'm not saying that the vanilla flavor of skills like Java, Python, etc. are not important. They are equally important. But at the same time, today people are talking about something, all the new digital technology, revolution era where we are today. I may survive maybe 3 years, 5 years if I know only Java or Python. But beyond that, to survive me as a young student, I should know the digital technologies, which is including, be big data, cybersecurity, machine learning, artificial intelligence, or cybersecurity, or cloud. These are the key areas. So ensure that, in different right context to learn as much as possible from the, one of the, some of the great, renowned professors and industry experts lined up to share their real experience, next couple of days, to extract as maximum as possible and see that your learnings of next few days, how effectively you're going to imparting to your own students and make them more, application oriented. So with that, I would like to thank all the key stakeholders of Gates Institute, and have a great time next 3 days, wonderful learning. Thank you so much, and I wish you all the best to all the people. Thank you.
So thank you, sir, for addressing the gathering and telling the importance of big data and cloud, as the participants are both faculty and PG students and research scholars. Thank you, sir, once again.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Hope I can drop the call.
Sir, yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
So now I request Shainat to introduce today's resource person, Dr. A. Sreenivasulu, sir.
Warm morning, everyone. I feel very honored to know you all about the fabulous personality, and I take immense pleasure to welcome our resource person, Dr. Asadi Sreenivasulu garu. Sir has received his BTech in Computer Science and Engineering from Sri Venkateshwara University, Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh in the year of 2000. Sir has completed his MTech in Intelligent Systems from Indian Institute of Information Technology, Allahabad, UP, India in the year of 2004. Sir is currently pursuing a double PhD in data science at Indian Institutes of Information Technology, Allahabad, as a working professional under the supervision of Professor Anupam Agarwal. Sir has earned his PhD from JNTU, India under the supervision of Professor Dr. Subharao. Currently, Sir is a visiting professor at the University of Newcastle, Australia. Sir previously has worked as a head of research and open labs in information technology at Blue Crest University, Monrovia, Liberia, And Sir has working as a subject matter expert SME at Deloitte Delhi from the year 2020 to the year 2023. Sir has 21 years of teaching and industrial experience, and Sir has served as a head of department for Information Technology at SV College of Engineering, Tirupati from the year 2007 to the year 2009. Sir also holds the several professional certificates, including the 7 IBM professional certifications such as RAD, RFI, DB2, RTC, TDS, Lotus, Domino, and WID, and 2 Microsoft certifications and 3 EDS certifications and 2 TechGrid professional certifications and 2 Cybrary Microsoft certifications and 2 UWB certifications and 2 SoloLearn certifications on C++ and 9 NPTEL certifications and 4 spoken tutorial project certifications from IIT Bombay. Sir's area of interest includes data science, big data analysis, data mining, AI, robotics, process automation and cloud computing and pattern recognition on ML and SE. Sir is also a professional member of several organizations like IEEE, Scopus ID, and many more. Sir serves on editorial boards of several journals on cloud computing, international journals of advanced research in computer science and engineering. And also, Sir has published the 5 textbooks and obtained the 4 patents. Sir has received several awards throughout his career. That includes Bharat Vidya Ratna National Award in the year of 2018, Best IT Teacher of the Year from Hyderabad, and Lifetime Achievement Excellence Award from the year 2022, and also the Best International Scientific Award from RIF Research, and also the Outstanding Teacher Award in the year of 2022. Sir has received the numerous other awards including the Best SPOC of NPTEL, Swayam, and Best SPOC of the STP IIT Bombay in the year of 2019. And Sir is one of the Best Mentor Internship Award from the Internshala AICTE Delhi in the year of 2019. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shanaz. So thank you, sir, for accepting our invitation. Sir, now the session is yours, sir.
Yeah, thank you, madam, for a nice introduction. A warm welcome to my dear faculty members for 1 week online faculty development program on role of big data and cloud in the era of transformation. So, what is the role of big data and cloud computing in order to implement real-time applications? In order to implement real-time applications like health data applications. It is one of the big data application. So how do you are storing that big data with the help of data center? Data center is a backbone for cloud computing. So let's see what are the content I'm going to cover in order to implement data transformation applications, digital era of transformation applications by using big data and cloud computing techniques. How do we can generate interested data analytics by using statistical techniques, artificial techniques, machine and deep learning techniques. How these models are helping us to classify the data, clustering the data, association rule mining of the data, and in order to find out outlier detection analysis. So let me introduce the concept like open source software we are using. See, there are various open source software available in the market, in the industry. So if you see, FAS is a free open source software like examples Linux, Hadoop, Spark, HBase, Java, Python, Weka, Hive. These all tools or technologies in order to perform data transformation applications we are using these free open source software. What is the meaning of free open source software? You can modify the data, you can compile the data, you can execute the data, and whatever thing would like to modify, you can do it. That is called a free open source software. Your contribution also will exist in the existing free open source software. If you see Linux, what is the full form of Linux? Look into new version of Unix. It is extension of Unix. It is freely available in the internet. You can download, and it is a cloud-based environment operating system. So you can perform high security related data transformation applications in the Linux platform. Linux is invented by or developed by Linus Torvalds. He is a 16-year-old boy while playing internet games. He invented that Linux operating system. So then Hadoop is an open source software. In order to process the big data applications, we are using Hadoop, a statistical process engine or technique. So where two major components are presented like HDFS and MapReduce. Hadoop distributed file system and MapReduce. These are the major concepts of Hadoop. Hadoop based on Java, a programming language, we are developing all sort of data analytics, cloud-based applications. So then Spark is 100 times better than Hadoop environment, because statistical applications we are using Hadoop environment, whereas streaming and real-time applications in order to process, we are using Spark framework. Hadoop, you can call it as a legacy or old database applications, batch processing. You can call it as a batch processing applications. If you want to develop, we are using Hadoop framework. And if you want to go for audio, video, streaming based applications, and 100 times better than Hadoop environment, and based on the Scala programming in order to develop data analytics, we are going Spark framework. Then HBase. HBase is a Hadoop database. It is a non-relational database tools. Like, we are using two types of database tools, like relational database tools, non-relational database tools. Relational database tools such as SQL, MySQL, Teradata, DB2, MS Access. Based on the schema, one second. నేను సెషన్లో ఉన్నాను మళ్ళీ. Okay. So based on the schema, label and the syntax, we are developing the table. Table is a collection of rows and tables. Collection of tables is called a database. And non-relational database to like Scoop and Cassandra. These are the NoSQL databases, Mongo database, etc. So I'll give you a small example like Facebook. So what is the database they are using? Previously 1 year back, they are using Cassandra database tool. It is a NoSQL database. So there are two issues came. Joins and triggers are not performed properly. That's why Facebook, they have changed their database to Cassandra to Hive data warehousing, and HBase is a database. In order to maintain a huge volume of data like audio, video, text, graphics, animation kind of data, we are using HBase database, and Hive is a data warehousing tool for NoSQL and unstructured data in order to maintain database. Everyone is free open software, and it is a internet language. In order to develop all web application, internet-based applications, we are using Java. Is one of the best and foremost and important, and you can say it is a topmost prime language in the programming languages like Python, JavaScript, and next other competitors of Java. Then Python is a so popular language and less syntax and more packages are available in Python. Comparatively Java, Python is so popular nowadays. In order to implement artificial intelligence applications, data science applications, especially cyber security applications, we are using Python. Python is so popular because of rich number of libraries like NumPy, SciPy, Panda, Scikit-learn, sklearn, Theano, PyTorch, Keras, TensorFlow, Pillow, Matplotlib, various frameworks. Every day I am using in order to implement data science applications. I am using various frameworks which is related to artificial intelligence applications, big data applications, mission and deep learning applications. Then Veka. Veka expansion is a Waikato environment knowledge for analysis. It is one of the data mining tool. So Waikato University, two professors invented this Veka tool in order to perform data analysis. So Veka came from Mecca. Mecca is a flyless bird at Waikato State and Waikato University in New Zealand. So it is one of the data mining tool. Hive is a data warehousing tool. In order to store a huge volume of data with the help of data cubes, we are storing huge volume of data. So why I am explaining all these things? In order to perform big data and cloud-based applications, we are using this open source software. So, which is FAST is developed by Spoken Tutorial project at IIT Bombay. It is a 1,000 crores project still available. If you want to learn various subjects, the caption of a Spoken Tutorial project is called Talk to a Teacher. So, under the National Mission on Education through ICT, Information Technology, ICT, under IIT Bombay. So these are various open software like Java, Python, Drupal, and Mongo, Moodle, WordPress, PHP, Android, various open source softwares are available. So this is the URL if you want to use in order to learn various latest subjects under Spoken Tutorial Project IIT Bombay. Go for this URL http://spoken-tutorial.org. So under this you can learn various subjects, you can attempt the exam and you can get the certificate. So within 60 seconds what is happening? I think everybody knows how many users are connected in this internet world. Now I would like to see the statistics. Sir, how do I can find out the number of users in this 60 seconds? How many users are connected? I would like to see the statistics by using www.statisticslive.com, internetlivestatistics.com. If you are using that URL, you come to know 6,94,444 hours watched in the Netflix, 3.8 million search queries, 1 million Facebook login, 1.8 million emails sent. So these are the statistics we come to know in the live stream within 60 seconds by using www.internetlivestatistics.com. So internet is a network of networks. Network is an interconnection between the systems in the fashion of local area network, wide area network, metropolitan area network, etc. Internet is developed by Bold, Bernanke, Newman. 3 scientists has been proposed. And to communicate with, we are using email. Email is developed by Ratum Linson. www stands for World Wide Web, which is developed by Tim Berners-Lee. Being IT, being a CSE faculty or any technical person, you must know all this jargon of IT related to internet. So see if you have a internet facility, you can check the statistics in this world, www.internetlivestats.com. If I am asking anyone, can you read this number? See, by seeing this number, unable to read properly because such a huge number of participants, users are there in this 60 seconds. Internet users in the world, 5,306,169,641 users are connected right now in this internet world. So like this total number of websites opened, emails sent today, and Google searches today, blog post written today, tweets sent today, etc. So this is the way we are finding the number of users connected in this 60 seconds duration. That means 1 minute. See, same thing I have incorporated in the mobile. I have incorporated in this slide. So numbers are increasing. Automatically data center also increases. So this is one more way of finding number of statistics. See, today we are discussing about era of digital transformation, how this cloud data management over the period, the changes of the data, when it started with the cloud environment. Cloud term introduced by John McCarthy in the year 1969. He introduced mainframe time sharing in the 1960s. Then ARPANET, even the computer networks derived from ARPANET in the year 1969, JCK Licklider. In the year 1991, so visualization software launched. In the year 1997, cloud computing is defined by Professor Ramanathan Challappa. He is from IISc Bangalore, SCRC department. Super Computer Education and Research Center at IISc is a #1 institute, premier institute in India. And 1999, Mark Benoif, Salesforce CEO. It is one of the, you can call it as a customer related tool, CRM tool, customer relation management tool, in order to develop web applications, call center applications, business applications, various applications related to lead management, customer related applications. Then year 2006, Amazon came into the picture. It launches elastic compute cloud called EC2. It comes under infrastructure as a service, simple storage service in the year 2006, S3. So Jeff Bezos, so he is the CEO of Amazon. And year 2013, worldwide public cloud services market came into the picture. And in the year 2014, estimated global cloud spending now till date. So the backbone for big data applications, data science applications, and various applications, we are using cloud as a backbone for data science and big data applications. So cloud data management is a way to manage data across cloud platforms like SaaS, PaaS, IaaS, software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service, either with or instead of on-premises storage by using a collection of high integrated servers at one place is called data center. Then the emergence of big data and cloud computing has fundamentally changed the paradigms. It's a model of computing in data transformation and delivery nowadays in order to implement digital transformation applications. So these the mountains of data means huge volume of data, like dimensions of big data, like volume, the size of the data, velocity, the speed at motion of the data, variety, different files, different file sizes, file types are converted into actionable intelligence and interested analytics, meaningful data that can be delivered in real time on demand, anywhere and anytime, 24/7 around the globe. We are accessing with help of cloud environment. So big data, which data we can call it as a big data. Traditional systems are unable to process the data. That data is called big data. There are various kinds of big data are available. Structured data, unstructured data, semi-structured big data are available. So this big data is allow you to integrate automated and real-time data streaming like YouTube, audio, video, and graphics, animated, related, advanced data analytics to continuously collect the data like weather forecasting data, Sensex data, stock market data, and healthcare data. And we are collecting the data, and we are processing the data, we are storing the data, and we are generating interested analytics, and we are finding new insights by using statistical AI, machine and deep learning techniques such as classification, clustering, association rule mining, outlier detection to discover new opportunities for growth and value of the society. And hello, my dear friends. Any doubts so far? Are you understanding my terminology? Let me acknowledge, because I'm expressing myself, and one way I'm communicating with you. I would like to see any queries with you. Please stop and ask. Unmute yourself and let me answer for your query. My dear friends, please. Tell me, any queries with you, please let me know.
No, sir, there is no queries. It's clear, sir.
Everything is clear? Madam, some noise is coming. Everything is clear, madam?
Yes, sir, it's clear, sir.
No problem. No problem. I'll continue. Please acknowledge through chat box or any queries if you are having. You can interrupt me and ask queries, no problem. Okay, so see, big data and cloud computing, the role in order to implement real-time applications. How do we use this big data and cloud computing? If you see the big data, I have already explained big data. See, which data I can call it as a big data? Terabytes, petabytes, hexabytes, octabytes, yottabytes, zettabytes, brontobytes, geobytes, infinity. That's why traditional systems are unable to process the data is called big data. So big data is mainly used for the data. Data is a raw material, which may be audio, video, text, graphics, anything can be in the real-time object is a data, which is massive in size. That is called volume, and rapidly increase with the time. So over the period, the data is increasing enormously. That is called big data. So if you see the definition of cloud computing is an internet-based technology. Without internet, you cannot perform any cloud-based application. It is an on-demand service, and it is available 24/7 through internet. Without internet, you cannot perform any kind of a service-based cloud applications. What are the issues in big data? Various types of data, that is called variety, dimension, and a huge volume of data storage. See, and how many servers are required to store a huge volume of data? That's why all the MNCs are moving towards cloud environment called data centers, because of issue of in big data. Then data integrating, processing of the data. In order to processing of the data is difficult by using traditional and a single server or even mainframe servers. That's why we are moving towards data centers. Data center is a backbone for cloud computing. Data center is a collection of integrated high computing servers at one place is called data center. The issues of cloud computing is availability, means 24/7. Internet must be there, power must be there. Then transformation is an issue. Security is everywhere, wherever data is there, security issue is there. Pricing and charging model of any CSP, cloud service providers. That's why big data focuses on the processing and analysis of large and huge volume of complex data sets like healthcare data, weather forecasting data, stock market data, traffic data, etc. Then cloud computing provides the scalable and on-demand infrastructure to store the data, to manage the data, and process the data efficiently by using artificial machine and deep learning techniques. Then in the era of transformation, the role of big data and cloud emerges as the catalyst. Without big data techniques, without cloud technologies, we are unable to process the big data applications or health data applications or data science applications. That's why big data and cloud, we can call it as a catalyst that propel businesses into the real-time environment. Unparalleled efficiency and innovative applications we are generating in the real-time environment. That's why big data, it's a modern day alchemist turns raw information into golden insights. So data is a raw material, and finally we are making as a meaningful data, interested analytics or golden insights, empowering decision makers and in order to increase their business with a profound understanding of trends and patterns. That's why we are using big data technologies. Simultaneously, the cloud acts as a vast canvas, allowing organization to store the data, process the data, and you can call it as transcending the constraints of physical infrastructure. We are storing digital data in the servers and data centers. So, if you see the big data and cloud computing for business analytics, what are the business purpose we are using big data? Reduction in the fraud. We are reducing fraud infrastructure in the big data environment. Search engines are available, and e-commerce like Amazon and Flipkart, online publishing benefits, helps in recruitment, log analysis, etc. Cloud computing, having a mobile cloud computing, whatever the data we are using for business purposes, and sharing the information, services, data backup, development and test. That's why big data emphasizes extracting meaningful, interested patterns from the huge volume of data by using big data technologies like Hadoop, Spark, Hive, HBase, etc. in order to generate meaningful, interested analytics insights from vast volume of data. Whereas cloud computing offers the flexible and accessible platform to handle the huge volume of storage and the computational demands of big data analytics. So that's why together, how do we integrate big data and cloud forge in a dynamic duo, dynamic scenario, reshaping industries and redefining possibilities? They enable scalability. Scalability means size of the data is increasing, automatically the size of the data center also increases. That means the storage of servers capacity also increases. Flexibility, it can support for all the platforms, not only SaaS, PaaS, IaaS, not only any programming platforms, not only in operating system platforms like Windows-based platform, Linux-based platform, iOS platforms. And agility means new technology, agile technology, and offering a canvas where business can reimagine and reinvent their operations. So, in this transformative landscape, data becomes the currency. Data is rich. Data is huge. And that's why cloud becomes the enabler. I am there. Please utilize me. Please use me, my services. If you want to store data in me, you can use, and fostering a synergy that propels organizers into future. So the alliance of big data and cloud in the era of transformation is not merely a technological evolution, but a revolution in the field of data science applications, artificial intelligence applications, machine and deep learning applications, especially in big data applications, where data-driven insights and limitless computing power converge to shape a new era of possibilities, new directions, new avenues. So that's why big data and cloud playing vital roles in order to implement real-time applications. So big data and cloud computing, use big data and cloud computing for business purposes. See why we are using cloud computing in order to perform operation like data backup, mobile service-based applications, sharing the information, services like SaaS, PaaS, IaaS, development and testing related applications easily we can perform through internet-based web browsers are supporting in the platform of cloud computing. Whereas in big data, why we are using for business purposes, it reduction of fraud, especially in cyber security data applications, big data applications, reduction in fraud and log analysis means in a DRDO, NASA, in that security buildings, we are using log analysis for applications in big data, who entered into the building, when he is login, when he came out. Such type of analysis we are performing on log analysis. Such engines we are using. E-commerce like Flipkart and Amazon, e-commerce based applications comes under big data. Benefits of online performing applications helps in recruiting faculty, employees, or any software engineer related applications. That's why big data addresses the challenges of handling massive volume of huge volume of data and different types of data, whereas cloud computing provides the necessary and computing resources, especially infrastructure as a service and storage infrastructure to efficiently manage and process this data related to computing for business. That's why the role of big data and cloud computing in the era of transformation is significant, very, very, very important. Today's, thanks to Inayatullah and principal sir and management and the faculty members, you have given wonderful opportunity for me to share my experience in the domain of big data, cloud, in order to implement data science applications. So especially in the era of transformation, and it is impacting various industries and companies, MNCs, and are enabling organizations to innovate and optimize processes and make data-driven decision-based applications so that they are increasing their own business. Why Amazon and Flipkart are offering such type of online e-commerce applications? Through your mobile, you are surfing in order to purchase an iPhone. Today, cost is 75,000. So tomorrow, automatically, it will appear on your screen. Would you like to purchase iPhone? See, the recommendation engine is working on your mobile. So tomorrow, it is showing on screen. Would you like to purchase iPhone for 74,000? See, business tactics. So such type of decisions they are taking to improve their business, especially e-commerce websites like Amazon and Flipkart. That's why the combination of big data and cloud computing plays a vital role in the digital transformation of organizations, in the MNCs, industries, offering the capabilities needed to manage the data, analyze the data, and derive value from large and complex data sets, especially health data sets, streaming data set, and stock market exchange and weather forecasting in efficient manner, cost effective and scalable manner. So there are some major concepts, the cloud and big data. I'm going to explain what is the role of big data and cloud computing in order to implement real-time applications. The first one is data storage and scalability. This is the major concept in this big data and cloud. What is the difference between this data storage and scalability in terms of big data and cloud? So big data deals with a huge volume of data sets. It allows organizations to store the data, to represent the data, to organize the data, to process the data, to analyze massive amounts of structured, unstructured, and semi-structured data. These are the three types of data in the case of data storage and scalability. Whereas in cloud computing, cloud provides a scalable storage solution. That means if you are increasing the data, automatically your data center also increases. That means number of servers are increasing for storage, the scalable storage solutions. It is enabling organizations to expand or contract their storage needs as a data volumes of change. Huge volume of data we are moving towards, especially State Bank of India recently, they have moved entire data into the cloud environment. High security, high maintenance, and flexibility. Whenever if you want to see your balance, you can check out with the help of this cloud environment. Then second major concept is data processing and analytics. So in case of big data, how this data processing is happening? So in order to process the big data sets like health data, stock market, weather forecasting, traffic data. So these are the big data sets. It facilitate advanced analytics, including machine learning and predictive modeling, and extracting valuable insights from vast data sets by using machine and deep learning techniques. So there we are using for data processing Hadoop and Spark, MATLAB, Hive and Python in order to generate interested analytics. Whereas the cloud offers powerful processing capabilities. That means we have a data center, you can store huge volume of data and you can compute the data, you can process the data. In order to generate a range of analytics, we have a tools making it easier for organizations to derive actionable insights from their data. Then the third major concept is cost efficiency. Why do I want to choose big data and cloud computing, sir? Please tell me, sir, why I want to learn big data and cloud computing? Because we are saving the cost efficiency. How? See, the big data helps in cost effective data management and processing. So for processing purpose, we are using Hadoop environment, and for storing purpose, we are using HDFS, and processing engine, we are using the MapReduce. MapReduce is a programming model. We are writing Java code and compiling, and finally we are executing with the use of open source technologies like Apache Hadoop, Spark, Hive, MATLAB, HBase, and Python programming we are using. In cloud environment, how the cost efficiency? Sir, I would like to purchase server. The server cost is 5 lakhs. Why do I want to waste 5 lakhs for a 1 year process of my application? I will go for cloud environment. I am taking rental basis service so that I can execute my application very well without any problem, without any disturbance, maintenance, and flexibility, reliability, etc. That's why cloud provides as a pay as you go. That means on-demand service model. Model is nothing but simplified version of the reality, and it allows organizations and industries to pay only for the computing resources, not only computing, storage purpose, technology purpose, infrastructure as a purpose, and a platform as a purpose. So they use reducing upfront infrastructure cost. That's why cost efficiency is a major concept in terms of big data and cloud technologies. Then the fourth major concept is flexibility and agility. So how this big data and cloud is going to help us in terms of flexibility and agility. So big data enables organizations or industry to adapt quickly to changing business requirements and data sources. See, business requirements is nothing but we are developing a logic and we are developing a problem statement according to user and industry requirements, and we are developing the applications with help of flexibility and new technology called agility. Then cloud how offers flexibility by providing on-demand resources, allowing business to scale up or scale down based on their needs. Sir, I don't want such a huge volume of data. I want only 1 MB, 1 GB, 1 terabytes. So the flexibility and agility is available with help of a cloud environment. Then the fifth concept is collaboration and accessibility. How do I collaborate with one industry to another industry, one organization to another organization? How this big data is going to help us? It allows for the integration of diverse data sources, means different types of audio, video, text-based applications, fostering collaboration and providing a comprehensive view of the business landscape and real-time applications. Then that's why collaboration and accessibility is a major concept in terms of big data. Then cloud facilitates easy access because of data center to data and analytics tools from anywhere, anytime, 24/7 service is available because of cloud environment. It is promoting and collaboration among teams, including those distributed geographically. So that's why this big data and cloud are performing very well in terms of collaboration and accessibility. Then the sixth concept, major concept of cloud and big data is innovation and competitive advantage. So how do you develop innovative applications? Nowadays, if you see in order to perform COVID-19 virus prediction and detection by using chest and X-ray images, by using machine and deep learning techniques, it's an innovative application came into the picture. By taking your chest X-ray image, I can find out whether you are a COVID patient or not. So such as innovative applications we are developing with the help of big data, COVID-19 patients database. It drives innovation by uncovering patterns, model, analytics, trends and insights, meaningful data, interested analytics that can be leveraged for product development, customer experience enhancement, and strategic decision making. So we are using big data. Then cloud environment, it provides how do we develop innovative and competitive advantage applications by using cloud. It provides a platform for innovation and allowing organization to experiment with new ideas and services without the need for a significant upfront investments. That's why we are developing innovation and competitive advantage applications. Then the seventh major concept is security and compliance. Wherever data is there, there is a security issue because of hackers, because of criminal activities happening in the cyber threat. So how this big data and cloud is going to provide a high security and compliance. Big data raises concerns about data security and privacy because wherever data is presented, there is a security issue. So that's why big data providing necessitating robust measures to protect sensitive information, especially banking information is called sensitive data by using big data security algorithms like belief logic and some cryptographic algorithms we are using in order to protect sensitive information. Then cloud, how that cloud is helping in the case of security and compliance. Cloud security, see, cloud computing having three types of securities usually: data security, network security, and host security. Data security means at the data level we are protecting the data and we are providing the security. Network level, we are providing security for network level data like LAN, WAN, MAN data. Then host security means our own server, how you are going to provide security in order to protect the data. So that's why this cloud offers security features and compliance certifications, and cloud service providers invest heavily in ensuring the protection of data. Then the eighth concept is scalable infrastructure. I have already explained what is meant by scalable. If you are increasing the data, automatically your data center also increases. How this big data and cloud is going to help us to scale the infrastructure. So big data requires a scalable infrastructure to handle increasing volume, especially Hadoop and Spark is used to process the data and computing the data and storing the data. In the case of volume of data, means size of the data, velocity, speed and motion of the data, and the variety of the data, different file sizes like audio, video, text, graphics, animation kind of data. Then cloud provides the infrastructure scalability, especially infrastructure as a service like Amazon is the first movers towards cloud computing. You know, my dear faculty members, Amazon is the first company stepping stone into the cloud computing field in order to provide infrastructure as a service kind of clouds are available like Amazon S3, Amazon EC2, Amazon Web Services. Thanks to Jeff Bezos, he introduced cloud infrastructure in this entire globe in order to process the big data applications, ensuring optimal performance as data requirement grow. That's why scalable infrastructure is one of the major important concept. Real-time insights. So this is real-time applications in order to process how big data and cloud is going to help us. Okay, in order to perform, in order to generate interested analytics, interested insights, meaningful data by using big data and cloud technologies and models like machine and AI and deep learning models. In the case of classification, clustering, association, rule mining, outlier detection. That's why big data enables real-time analytics. It allowing an organization to make quick decisions based on the most up-to-date information. Whereas in cloud computing, it offers the computing power. Sir, I'm storing COVID-19 patients' data by using cloud environment so that I can access anywhere, anytime in order to process, in order to predict and detect which patient is a COVID-19 patient. So that's why cloud offers the computing power and resources to support the real-time data processing and enhancing the ability to respond rapidly to changing conditions. So in order to develop health data applications, big data and cloud playing vital roles in order to store, in order to compute, in order to process the data, we are using big data and cloud in the case of real-time insights. The last and important major concept in this cloud and big data dual subjects, today's concept, the last one, disaster recovery and business continuity. Suppose, sir, I have established the data centers at Singapore, Africa, and North America, and South America, and of Europe. So, because of terrorism in Asia data center in Singapore, it collapsed with help of man-made terrorism or disasters like calamities like tsunami, earthquakes, tornadoes. Sometimes data center may last. So in that case, how do we recover the data? What are the data disaster recovery algorithms are available like RTO and RPO? And how this big data and cloud are is going to help us in order to protect our data. So big data involves critical data assets that are often irreplaceable. So this big data playing, we are storing huge volume of data in the servers. That servers information become as a data center. Okay, so we are performing some interested and critical data assets in order to perform real-time applications. This cloud offers reliable and geographically distributed data centers. I have explained different geolocations. We are establishing cloud infrastructures. That means clouds. So Amazon S3, Amazon EC2, Salesforce, and Microsoft MS Azure. These are the cloud service providers we are establishing in the distributed data centers, making it easier for organization to implement comprehensive disaster recovery and business continuity plans. So, if you see, my dear friends, faculty members, any doubts, please ask me so far. See, I am explaining my side, but I would like to interact with you. It is my minimum responsibility whether you are receiving my terminology or not. Whether you are receiving my jargons of cloud and big data, I would like to know.
Yes, sir. It's clear, sir.
No doubts?
No doubt, sir.
17 members are there, my dear faculty members. Any doubts, please respond me.
Sir, it is a YouTube link, sir. So only few members are present, sir.
Okay, okay. So how many members are there, madam, in YouTube?
149, sir.
149, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so next coming to this big data dimensions, 3 V's like volume, velocity, variety, everybody knows, no need to explain once again. Just I'll brief out how this big data analytics in cloud computing offers a transformative overview. I'll give you like in the case of scalable and flexible cloud infrastructure, in order to process the data, store the data, and perform the vast data sets, in order to derive meaningful data, interested analytics, insights, and unlock the full potential of analytics for enhanced decision making and innovation. We have 3 types of V's like volume, terabytes, records, transaction, tables, files, etc. is called volume. Structured data, unstructured data, semi-structured data, all the above like audio, video, text, graphics, animation kind of data, we can call it as a variety. And batch and near-time, real-time streaming, we can call it as a velocity, speed and motion of the data. So the role of big data over the period, how it is transforming in digital transformation, today's major concept and major topic. So number 1, if you take, what are the benefits of big data analytics? See here, it improves the customer insights, especially in e-commerce applications like Amazon, Flipkart, etc. It enhanced operational efficiency. Easy to we are getting product to directly to my home. That is called enhanced operational efficiency. Increased profitability. See, if you are going to market, the transportation charges and the risk of the person. So those things we are get rid of those things. That's why increased profitability. I am saving my transportation charge. So that is the benefit of big data analytics in the case of digital transformation. Then second one, building a big data strategy application. So it defines business objectives like how do I can increase my business. In the case of Uber, in the case of Ola, how they are changing their strategy over the period, how it started and how it is available right now. That is, they are defining their own business objective. Choose technology tools. See, nowadays, we are choosing data science technologies, various Python tools we are using very easily, establishing governance policies very easily. That's why we are building a big data strategy, the role of big data in terms of digital transformation. The third one is big data success. Yes, wherever data is there, you can store a huge volume of data. So Dallas Mavericks increased ticket sales by 25%. So Target used big data to improve marketing and sales, especially big data when it came into in the case of digital transformation. See, nowadays in India, even Google Pay and Phone Pay, digital transformation is enormous. Even illiterate people, they are using scan and barcode, quick QR code. You can call it as a QR code, quick response code. Very easily, unique. That is greatness. So that's why Target used big data to improve marketing and sales, and GE predicted equipment and failures to increase operational efficiency. How this big data in digital transformation, how it will be in the future of big data. It continued growth and innovation, new technologies such as machine learning and artificial intelligence. So this big data playing vital role in digital transformation. So what are the top 10 applications highlighting the role of big data and cloud in the era of transformation? My dear friends, please see what are the top 10 applications I am going to explain how this big data and cloud we are using in order to generate interested analytics by using AI, statistical and machine and deep learning models. So the first application is predictive analytics, especially COVID-19 prediction using deep learning techniques like CNN, RNN, LSTM, and Keras, TensorFlow, PyTorch, Scikit-learn, Theano, etc. Even some frameworks like VGG16 and RESTnet, GoogleNet. These are the various frameworks we are using in order to predict data analytics. How this big data and cloud enables organizations to employ predictive analytics models, forecasting trends, especially weather forecasting, targeting marketing, stock market, and making informed decisions based on patterns identified from a huge volume of data sets like weather forecasting, healthcare data, etc. This is number one applications in this digital era of transformation by using big data and cloud technologies. Then a customer relationship management, CRM tool. Especially we are using Salesforce.com. It is a cloud-based software as a service related based cloud. It's a number one cloud in the case of a software as a service cloud. So thanks to Mark Benoif, he is the CEO of Salesforce.com. It is a customer relationship management tool. So there are modules like admin module, developer module, advanced developer module, etc. in Salesforce.com in order to develop call center applications and business applications, etc. So this big data analytics in the cloud helps enhance customer experiences by analyzing customer behavior, especially in Amazon and Flipkart. The customer behaviors, preferences, and feedback, allowing organization to tailor their products and services accordingly. That's why CRM tools are playing vital role. This is one more important application. Then supply chain optimization. So how this big data and cloud facilitates a real-time monitoring of supply chain processes, optimizing inventory management, reducing inefficiencies and challenges, and improving overall supply chain visibility. So in that application, this big data and cloud playing a vital role. Next, fourth application, healthcare analytics. Healthcare analytics is one of the real-time application nowadays. How this big data and cloud playing a vital role in healthcare by analyzing patient data, managing electronic health records, EHR, and facilitating medical research, leading to more personalized patient care and improved treatment outcomes. Nowadays, if you are a diabetic patient, you are purchasing the tablets from the hospital or any medical shop. So they are having your data. So the customer name, their phone number. Once your dose is over the 2 months, immediately you are getting alert from a medical shop. Please purchase your diabetic products, tablets. So it is leading to, facilitating medical research, leading to more personalized patient care. That is called healthcare data analytics and improved treatment outcomes. Then fifth application, fraud detection and cyber security. Wherever data is there is a security issue is there. How this big data and the cloud enables the rapid detection of anomalies means some errors related, some threats, some criminal activities, and patterns indicative of fraudulent activities, enhancing cybersecurity measures by identifying and mitigating threats in real-time environment. Smart cities and urban planning by using this big data and cloud assist in smart city initiatives, and in order to make a beautiful city, and we are using this optimizing urban planning, traffic management, and resource allocation for sustainable and efficient urban development. Then seventh application is a financial analysis and risk management. So that is one more important application. By using big data analytics in the cloud aids financial institutions in analyzing market trends, managing risks, and making data-driven investments decisions, contributing to more robust financial strategies. There we are using cloud and big data technologies. I have explained eighth application, e-commerce personalization. So by using Amazon and Flipkart, cloud-based big data analytics is instrumental in e-commerce for analyzing customer behavior, preferences, and purchase history to provide personalized product recommendations, improving customer satisfaction and boosting sales. So last but one application, human resource optimization, how this big data and cloud helps in talent acquisition, workforce planning, and employee engagement, providing insights to optimize human resources strategies for better organizational performance. The last application, environmental monitoring and sustainability. How this big data analytics on the cloud supports environmental monitoring by analyzing data from sensors, satellites, and other video tools, sources contributing to sustainable practices and informed decision making in areas such as climate change and risk. So these are top 10 applications of the role of big data and cloud in digital transformations. So till now, I have completed the both combinations of big data and cloud together. Now I am going to deal with the practical session with the help of big data contents, with the help of cloud computing contents. Because two subjects are very, very important in order to perform real-time applications. My dear friends, any doubts, please ask me. Now time is 11:30. Okay. If you are having any doubts, please ask me together.
Sir, can we call e-commerce data as big data?
Yes, obviously. See, if you take e-commerce data, you can perform in your system. You cannot perform because of first storage and computing power. That's why I have given a generalized definition. Big data, which data I can call it as a big data? Who's madam asking that question? May I know name?
Aisha Siddiqa, sir, myself.
Sorry?
Student, sir, myself, Aisha Siddiqa.
Oh, very good question, Amma. Very good. Keep it up. See, which data I can call it as a big data? Traditional systems, traditional servers, unable to process the data, unable to compute the data, unable to organize the data, unable to access the data. Such kind of data is called big data. That's why we are going to use big data computing platforms like Hadoop, Hive, Spark, HBase, Zookeeper, Scoop, Cassandra, etc. Very good question. Keep it up. Any other queries, please? My dear students, if you are asking the question means you are strong in the subjects. If you are not asking the question, okay, you are understanding, that's all. You don't want to improve your knowledge in the emerging subjects like big data, cloud, data science, Internet of Things, blockchain technology. These all are my subjects. See, if you open all of you, my dear students, my dear faculty members, just go to YouTube, just open www.youtube.com, type my name, Dr. Asadi. Please do all of you 1 minute time. How many technologies I have explained? Please see here. Please type all of you. Take one minute time. Open youtube.com. youtube.com. Type my name, Dr. Asadi Sreenivasulu. Okay. Just type all of you. See here. How many technologies I have explained? Nearly 245 videos I have uploaded in my channel, but I am not a commercialized person. I am not getting any profit in this channel. I am giving opportunity for who are seeking basic knowledge on big data, cloud computing, data science, Internet of Things, blockchain technology, artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and cyber security. These all technologies over the period, last 3 years, rigorously and vigorously, I have explained nearly 175 workshops, international workshops, 24 countries. I have given these kind of technologies with the practical session. So please go through my channel, just subscribe, and you can write your own comments, no problem. Just subscribe, all of you. See, these are the videos. How many videos I have explained? 245 videos are there. See here, all of you. Madam, my screen is visible? Hello? Hello,
Yes,
madam?
sir, it's visible, sir.
Yeah, see here how many technologies I have explained, my dear friends. See here, cyber security, all 12 subjects are there. Data science, 12 subjects. Artificial intelligence, 8 subjects. Machine learning, deep learning, big data, cloud computing, Internet of Things, blockchain technology, what not. I am living in the contemporary technologies because I have joined in IIIT Allahabad in MTech. My specialization is artificial intelligence. My core background is artificial intelligence and my PhD in data science and data mining. So over the period, I'm transforming my knowledge from data, database, data warehouse, data mining, big data, and data science right now. So over the period, I have seen with Excel to latest technologies over the digital transformation, how I have used tools and techniques. So only 10 members subscribed. What about remaining? See, 160 students are there. You haven't subscribed my channel so far, my dear friends. Please subscribe. See, I have explained various technologies.
Sir,
Yes.
in YouTube, someone is asking a question about is security issue critical with big data in cloud?
Yes. That's why, security playing a vital role. Still, R&D people are doing research on how do we protect data. So how this cloud security help us to protect our data. So there are three kinds of security levels we are discussing in the cloud security, like data security, network security, and host level security. Now I will go to in detail to programming level and implement applications. Who's that student, madam? May I know his name?
Lipika Datta, sir.
Very good question. Keep it up. So security, there are various numerous journals are coming in cloud security related applications. And you can also write one of the good journal paper related to IEEE, Springer, Elsevier, etc. In the case of how do you can protect your personalized data by using cloud security. It is a title of the paper. You can go through it. You can develop if any sort of help in order to write how to write the best research article by using AI and ICT tools. I have conducted recently in various universities. You go through it and develop your cloud security based application. Litika, very good question. Keep it up. So far 35 students only subscribed. What about remaining students? Still few members are there. Any queries?
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yeah, please ask me.
Sir, which appropriate data is called as big data, sir?
Yeah, I'm going to explain. See, if you see, I have given a generalized definition. Traditional systems are unable to process
Sir,
the
which
data.
appropriate data is called as big data, sir?
Teradata. You can take teradata, petadata, hexadata, octadata, and healthcare data. If you take example, streaming data like a stock market data is a big data. Healthcare data is a big data. Weather forecasting data from NARL. Okay, NARL Gadanki, National Atmospheric Research Laboratory. They are downloading big data. Okay, so maybe terabytes, maybe petabytes, hexabytes, octabytes, yottabytes, zettabytes, and brontobytes and geobytes. This data is called big data because traditional systems are unable to process the data. That's why we are moving towards big data technologies like Hadoop, Spark, Hive, HBase, Zookeeper, Cassandra, Scoop, MATLAB, Python, Java, etc. Any doubt? Very good question.
Sir, in YouTube, Sritej has some doubts, sir.
Yeah, please let me.
How do we secure the big data from the cyber attacks like phishing and botnet attacks?
Very good question. So still R&D is ongoing in this research domain, but very good tools came into the picture. Even clouds are protecting and enabling such kind of cyber activities, cyber criminal activities happening on the sensitive data like SBI data. See, if you take SBI account data, customer related information data, how securely we are accessing our own information, not any other information. That means even that SBI data is in the cloud environment. So that application developed with help of Salesforce.com, customer relation CRM tool application. You are accessing with your credentials, user and user ID and login credential. If you are giving correctly, you are accessing your own data. You are checking the balance. So that is a big data, especially all over the world. SBI data is a big data because normal systems, normal computers are unable to process the data. You cannot fetch the data. That's why we are moving towards SBI cloud environment data. Still R&D is ongoing. These cyber attackers, cyber criminals, you can stop up to certain stage, but you cannot control entire thing. But 99.99 security is there. Still there is a chance of attackers can attack and steal your data. 0.1%. There is a chance of this criminal activities, cyber attacks, cyber threats on a sensitive data like bank related information data. Very good question. Keep it up. Any other queries, my dear friends?
No more queries, sir.
Oh, very good. They are asking in the chat box. My dear friends.
You can continue, sir.
Yeah. Any questions if you are having, please post your queries in the chat box so that I can answer for your queries. So far 55 members subscribed. Okay, no problem. So I'm moving to my subject where we are. See, so far I have completed the combination of the role of big data and cloud in the era of digital transformation. I have completed successfully. Now I'm moving to individual topics like big data content with the practical session and cloud computing concepts with the practical session. I'm going to demonstrate the various applications. See, in big data content, so top 10 big data applications like healthcare, finance, retail industry, medical and entertainment, travel, education, telecom, e-commerce applications. See, so in this big data content, we have introduction to big data, like big data deals with data sets like Facebook data, YouTube data, streaming data, weather forecasting data, traffic data. These are the examples of real-time examples of big data. Then what are the characteristics? 3 V's majorly. There are 7 V's are there, but majorly 3 V's: volume, velocity, variety. Then what are the big data architecture? We have 3 tiers: tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. Tier 1 says that whether you are giving input data as a structured data, unstructured data. Then tier 2, whether you are choosing Hadoop or Spark or MATLAB or Python, which tools and techniques. Finally, tier 3, you are going to generate interested analytics, scorecard, pie chart, bar chart, etc. Then what are the big data tools? We have n number of big data tools. The number 1 is Hadoop. It is a batch processing tool. It is a framework which integrates. You can write your own code with the help of Java code. You can develop database with the help of SQL, MySQL, Teradata, DB2, etc. And there is a connectivity between front end to back end. Everything is available. That's why we can call it as a Hadoop is a framework. Then a Spark, Hadoop process only batch processing, means legacy data, old databases, static database applications it can perform. Whereas a Spark is 100 times better than Hadoop environment. And because of, anyone knows? Because of random access memory. So because of real-time processing, we are performing Spark based on the Scala language. In Hadoop, we are using Java programming. In this Spark, we are using scalability programming language and PySpark in order to develop big data applications. The combination like Python and Spark, there is a language called PySpark we are using. Or if you want to use only Python, because rich number of libraries are there, we are using Python programming. These are the case studies I'm going to demonstrate right now. Big data applications like COVID-19 virus prediction and detection using big data techniques. Omicron virus prediction and detection by using big data techniques like CNN, convolutional neural networks, recurrent neural networks, and long short-term memory applications, Keras, TensorFlow, PyTorch, sklearn, scikit-learn, etc. Ebola virus prediction and detection, prostate cancer prediction, breast cancer, lung cancer, monkeypox prediction and detection. These applications I'm going to demonstrate right now. Next, cloud computing. I have explained all jargon of cloud computing concepts. A few more concepts are there. I'm going to explain 10 minutes. Then we'll start practical session. So definition of cloud computing. Cloud is a internet-based technology. Cloud is a on-demand computing. Cloud is a 543 formula. Without internet, you cannot perform any cloud-based applications. Then what are the service models? There are 3 service models are available. SaaS, PaaS, IaaS. Deployment models are also called as infrastructure models like public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, community cloud. Then 5 characteristics like OB R square M. O stands for on-demand computing. B stands for broad network access. R square means resource pooling, rapid elasticity. M stands for measured service. Even deployment models short form is a P square. See, P square means public cloud, private cloud, and community cloud. P square HC. So public, private, hybrid, community. Even service models SPI, shortcut form. So like software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. Then what are the benefits? We have reliability, security, flexibility, adaptability, etc. The challenges and concerns like security is a major challenge in cloud computing, availability, flexibility, etc. What are the cloud service providers like SaaS? The number 1 cloud is Salesforce.com. Under platform as a service cloud, the number 1 cloud is MS Azure. Under infrastructure as a service cloud, we have Amazon S3 and EC2. These are the cloud service providers. Then emerging trends. With the help of cloud computing, we can perform data science applications, Internet of Things applications, blockchain technology applications. Same. These are the big data applications by using cloud technologies we are solving. So, see, one student asked the question, which data we can call it as a big data. Now, see, I'm going to explain in detail. If you press capital A in the system cannot understand. Internally it converts into ASCII format. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Capital A value is 65. If you divide it by 2, you are getting the binary equivalent number is 100001. That is the binary equivalent number of capital A, 65. Within fraction of seconds, the system interprets and gives capital A. Oh, you have capital A. That means 1 bit is equal to 0 or 1. 4 bits is equal to 1 nibble. 8 bits is called 1 byte. 4 bytes is equal to 1 vote. 4 votes equal to 1024 bytes. 1024 bytes is equal to 1 kilobyte. 1024 kilobytes is equal to 1 megabyte. 1024 megabytes is equal to 1 gigabyte. 1024 gigabytes is equal to 1 terabytes. 1024 terabytes equal to 1 petabytes. 1024 petabytes is equal to 1 hexabytes. 1024 exabyte is equal to 1 octabyte. 1024 octabyte is equal to 1 zettabyte. 1024 zettabyte is equal to 1 yottabyte. 1024 yottabyte is equal to 1 brontobyte. 1024 brontobyte is equal to 1 geobyte. See, hi, I'm Robo. My speed is 1 terabyte. My memory is 1 zettabyte. Thanks to Director Shankar sir and Rajni sir, they have introduced this terminology. See, they are not inventors of this terminology, but they have used the terminology to the public. There is a measuring the data in big data. So before that movie, even I don't know the terminology. I learned up to terabytes only. So after that movie, we came to know there is a zettabyte. Okay. So 1024 geobytes. Yesterday night I have searched in the Google. There are 2 more terminology that is called 1024 zettabyte is equal to 1 brontobyte, 1 BB. 1024 brontobyte is equal to 1 geobyte. 1024 geobyte is equal to infinity. See, if you see same measurement in mathematical range, normal range, kilobyte is 10 power 3, megabyte is 10 power 6, gigabyte is 10 power 9, terabyte is 10 power 12, big data range, petabyte is 10 power 15, hexabyte is 10 power 18, zettabyte is 10 power 21, yottabyte is 10 power 24, brontobyte is 10 power 27, geobyte is 10 power 30. So this is the way we are measuring the data. My dear students and my dear faculty members, keep in mind this table. Whenever, wherever required, you can use this measuring the data in big data, data science, wherever you can use it. So the prerequisition of big data or cloud or data science, I can start with this is my own chart. I have used my own chart because over the period of experience, I have drawn my own chart. This one actually, you cannot find in even Google, because this is my experience. I have drawn this diagram. So I start with the data. Data may be audio, video, text, graphics, animation. It is a raw material. So once we are processing the data is called information. The collection of interrelated data, and that is called a database. To manage the database, we are using SQL, MySQL, Teradata, DB2, MS Access, etc. That is the structured data. In order to manage the unstructured data, we are using Mongo database, Hive, HBase, Zookeeper, etc. Combination of data and DBMS is called database system. Data mart is a subset of data warehousing. Storing of a huge volume of data is called a data warehouse. And collection of data marts and online analytical processing, we can call it as a data warehousing. So once we are storing huge volume of data, we are extracting meaningful interested patterns by using classification, clustering, association, rule mining, and outlier detection in the case of data mining. And once we have a huge volume of data, the challenges like volume, velocity, and variety, that data is called big data. Once we have a big data, how do you extract insights, interested analytics, meaningful data? By applying AI, statistical, and machine and deep learning algorithms in order to develop data science applications. Any doubts? My dear friends, my dear faculty members.
One more doubt, sir. The student called Manjula Akuri, she has one doubt, sir.
Sorry, which doubt, madam?
Can we apply optimization to cloud security?
Yes, we can apply optimization techniques. Are there various optimization techniques so that we can access efficiently, we can organize, we can store, we can retrieve. Very good question. Very good question. Keep it, Amma. Keep it up. We can apply. Next. So everybody knows. See, 8 concepts. These are the 8 concepts I'll brief out in cloud computing. So the first one is definition. Everybody knows. Cloud is an internet-based technology, and it includes storage, processing power, and application over the internet. Internet is a network of networks. It eliminates the need for organization and individuals to own and maintain physical infrastructure, offering a scalable and on-demand model. So that's why cloud computing is a paradigm that involves delivering and accessing computing services, including storage, processing power, and applications over the internet, allowing users to access and utilize resource on-demand service without the need for extensive local infrastructure. And the second concept is C. So this is according to NIST definition. Cloud computing is a model for enabling ubiquitous, convenient, on-demand network access through internet. Okay, so to shared pool of configurable computing resources such as network, server, storage, applications, and server services that can be rapidly provisioned and released with minimal management effort or service provider interaction. That is called NIST. Cloud computing is internet-based technology. I have explained already. Derived from depiction of network diagram called TCP or IP, Internet Protocol. And cloud is an internet-based development of applications and services. Cloud computing is a multi-tenant architecture. Means multiple users are connected to the service provider. Like one with mobile, one with laptop, one with tab, one with server. So multiple tenants are occupied houses called multi-tenant architecture. Cloud computing is a 5-4-3 formula. 5 characters. Sir, I know 143 formula. What is this 543 formula? My dear students, 5 characteristics like OB R square M. O stands for on-demand computing. B stands for broad network access. R stands for resource pooling. And one more R stands for rapid elasticity. M stands for measured service. Infrastructural models are called deployment models like P square HC, public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, community cloud, and 3 major services like SPI, software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service. Then cloud computing is a form of distributed computing because we are establishing different servers, data centers at different geolocations. That's why cloud computing is a form of distributed computing. The heart of cloud computing is data center and virtualization. Data center is nothing but collection of high integrated servers at one place is called data center. And virtualization is the ability to perform multiple tasks in a single system with help of virtualization softwares like VMware, Hypervisor, Zen, Virtual Iron. These are the 4 popular virtualization technologies. See, these are the cloud computing services like software as a service. The number 1 cloud is Salesforce.com. Platform as a service, the number 1 cloud is MS Azure. Infrastructure as a service, the number 1 cloud is Amazon Web Services. These are the 5 characteristics like on-demand computing, broad network access, resource pooling, rapid elasticity, measure services. Then these are the 5 characteristics I have explained. On-demand service means pay and use. Broad network access means anywhere, anytime you can access the service. Resource pooling means all services at one place is called a resource pooling. Rapid elasticity means if you are increasing the data, automatically data center size also, physical infrastructure also increases. Measured service is nothing but how much service consumption you are doing, that much amount you have to pay. Then infrastructure models are also called as a deployment models. It is also called as a types of clouds. There are 4 important types of clouds called deployment models: public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, community cloud. So if you take private cloud, only employees are eligible to access the cloud, not public. Whereas public cloud, everybody can access the cloud. Community cloud, only community people, only particular organization people are accessing the cloud. Hybrid cloud, 50% public, 50% private cloud. Then examples of private cloud, you can call it as MS Azure, Salesforce, Amazon S3. Public cloud, Google Drive, Gmail, Dropbox, etc. Then hybrid cloud, you can use MS Azure, Salesforce, trial versions they are giving. Community cloud, they are giving health cloud, e-government, social networks, examples. Then what is the difference between public and private cloud? So public cloud hosted at a service provider site, whereas private cloud hosted at an enterprise and their premises service provider site. Public cloud supports multiple customers, whereas private cloud supports only one customer. It often utilizes shared infrastructure. It does not utilize shared infrastructure because it is a private cloud. Supports connectivity over the internet, connectivity over private network, fiber or the internet. Suited for information that is not sensitive. So suited for information that requires a high level of security. It can be cheaper than private cloud. These are the major differences between public and private cloud. Okay, so next services, you can call it as services. There are 3 types of services because of this. We have 3 types: software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. So these are call it as a delivery models like software as a service. Sir, I don't have IBM software, but I would like to use IBM software for my application. Okay, go for on-demand service, pay and use and get the service and develop the applications. Examples: Google Apps, Gmail, Salesforce.com. Platform as a service. Sir, I don't have RAD IBM service or DB2 software. I want to develop a database application. So go and purchase the DB2 service subscription and you can have your own project execution. Google App Engine, Forge.com, etc. Then infrastructure service, sir, I don't have 20 zettabytes of storage space. I'm going to use Amazon EC2 and data center. S3, you can purchase and you can have it. Then cloud computing architecture means it is a structure which comprises the software and hardware components and connections among them is called cloud computing architecture. And there are 5 major components of cloud computing architecture: cloud consumer, cloud provider, cloud auditor, cloud carrier, cloud broker. If you see cloud providers, like we have 3 types of providers: SaaS, PaaS, IaaS, and like MS Azure, Salesforce, and Amazon Web Services. Cloud consumer, who is utilizing that services, called cloud consumer. Cloud auditor is calculating how much data we are consuming, space, etc. Security cloud, privacy, impact audit, performance audit. And cloud broker, between you and organization, is performing service intermediation, service aggregation, service arbitrage, etc. See here, these are the cloud consumer, cloud provider, cloud carrier. So cloud carrier interaction between cloud providers and cloud consumers, and cloud broker, cloud auditor. So each person having their own operations and activities in order to perform efficient and computing power. So service models are 3 types: SaaS, PaaS, IaaS. The best examples of you can call it as best examples: pay as you go. Okay. And the number 1 cloud is IaaS, Amazon Web Services. Platform as a service, Amazon, MS Azure. Salesforce is the number 1 cloud under software as a service. Then deployment models I have explained already. So these 5 key characteristics I have explained. OB, R square M, keep in mind. Then 5 benefits like cost savings, scalability, flexibility and agility, accessibility and collaboration, etc. These are the challenges and concerns. Like security, one of the students asked, security still challenge. So concerns about data security, privacy, and the potential for authorized access, etc. Compliance, adherence to industry regulations and compliance standards. Downtime, dependency on the internet and the service provider infrastructure may lead to downtime in case of outages. These are the cloud service providers, especially major cloud service providers like Amazon Web Services. It is a number 1 cloud under infrastructure as a service. Microsoft Azure, it is a number 1 cloud under platform as a service cloud. Even Google Cloud Platform, GCP, comes under both software and platform as a service. IBM Cloud and other clouds comes under software and infrastructure and platform. These are the service providers. On-demand service they are giving. Emerging trends like next future technologies based on big data and cloud. We can have edge computing already running, serverless computing, multi-cloud and hybrid cloud storages, strategies. And nowadays we are seeing data science, cyber security, Internet of Things, blockchain technologies. These are the emerging trends in the cloud computing environment. So this is about cloud computing content applications. Now I'm going to demonstrate practical session. In order to implement big data and cloud-based applications, we are using PySpark or Python or Spark. See, so can anyone guess what is this image? Any answer from the students? I think students can answer for this question. Hello, my dear students, can you give answer in the online?
It's about all the aspects of big data, sir. Aspects of big data.
You are trying to give answer, but not correct answer. I am asking what is the technical name of this image? Anyone? See, this image, how do you publicize about Gates Engineering College, madam? By using pamphlets, by using SMS, by using banners, okay, various things. So this is one more technology. How do you can publicize about Gates Engineering College? What is the technical jargon of this image? Can anyone? My dear students, my dear students.
Sir, it is about big data, sir.
It is about big data. That is a generalized answer. Who's this, my dear friend?
Tukaram, sir. Myself, Tukaram.
Tukaram. It is a generalized answer. Balakrishna dialogue, actually, usually. Okay. Sorry to say you. You are giving trivial answer, but I am expecting a technical jargon of this big data. Can anyone? My dear students, you are liking my session or not, Tukaram? Please tell me. Tukaram.
Sir.
Are you understanding my terminology, my jargon of big data and cloud?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the technical name of this image?
Sir, it is all about providing the services of big data, sir.
Again, you are reaching to answer, but not correct answer. You are trying your level best. I am expecting answer from you, technical jargon of big data. Can anyone? I think how many students are there, madam, in the YouTube streaming? Hello, madam.
150 plus, sir.
150 students are there. What is the technical jargon of this image? I have given scenario also. Can anyone? Hello, my dear students. Okay, no problem. Can I give answer?
Yes, sir.
Oh, see, I have incorporated technology, storage, examples, complex information, everything. This image is called word cloud, big data, word cloud. Because we are, see, today's workshop is cloud and big data. This type of image technical jargon of this big data called a big data word cloud. Keep in mind. Okay. See, what about big data myths? Big data is new. Big data is only about massive data volume. Big data means Hadoop. Big data need a data warehouse. Big data means unstructured data. Big data is for social media, sentiment analysis. These all are myths. Okay. So I have explained already big data, kind of. I'm skipping. Types of big data, categorical data, numerical data, discrete data, continuous data. Okay. So how do you collect the data? Data collection tools like through interviews, we are collecting the data. Through observation, we are collecting the data. Through surveys, we are collecting the data. Through usage data, through focus groups, etc. So big data sources, we are getting data from social networks, financial data, multimedia data, Internet of Things, mobile application data, ERP data. I have already explained this all. See, big data caption is more data leads to the more knowledge leads to the more money. I'm skipping because everybody knows. So 90% unstructured data, 10% structured data is available in the market and industry. Okay. So per day, Facebook alone generates 1,000 terabytes of data. Jet Airways and stock market exchange, they are generating terabytes of data. Okay. Volume plus variety plus velocity equal to big data. So big data uses cloud computing, machine learning, NLP, natural language processing, business intelligence applications. Data analysis concepts like statistics you must knowing.
Excuse me, sir.
Tell me, Amma.
We have a question on YouTube from faculty, sir. One more question.
Yeah, please, madam.
Can we call Gmail as cloud?
Yes, Gmail is a cloud, comes under software as a service based application. Fantastic question and answer. Gmail is best consumer of cloud computing is Gmail. Gmail is a cloud. application comes under software as a service? Very good question, madam. Who's that?
Sharanya Verma, sir. Faculty.
Sharanya Verma, keep it up. Very good question. Please ask me continuously questions. So, importance of big data, we are having cost saving, time saving, social media listening, customer acquisition, marketing insights, innovation, etc. So, types of big data, I have explained already: structured data, unstructured data, semi-structured data. With the help of SQL, MySQL, Teradata, we are developing structured database. With the help of Mongo database, Hive, HBase, we are developing unstructured database. Semi-structured data, best example is a XML database, 50% structured and 50% unstructured. So these all are trivial dialogues. Already I have explained. I'm skipping all these things. Everybody knows all the concepts, I think. That's why I'm skipping. Volume, velocity, variety. After that, veracity. That means data fuzzy and cloudy or messiness. Can we trust the data? Then value, validity, visibility. These all are 7 characteristics dimensions. I have explained structure of big data, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 already. So big data tools like Spark, Scala, HBase, Kafka, Flink, Informatica, Hive, Tableau, etc. If you want to spend the time, I will spend it. Tableau is a visualization tool. Informatica is a data transformative tool, data integration tool. Flink is a data streaming tool like audio, video, YouTube. HBase is a database tool. Scala is a scalable programming language, especially in Spark we are using. Kafka is a data bus and high throughput distributed messaging. Hive is a data warehousing tool, and HBase is a data platform tool. Spark is used for data analytics. Solar is used for search and index. Okay. Then these are the rising big data technologies like Apache Hadoop, Apache Spark, Mongo database, Cassandra, Apache Kafka, ClickView, ClickSense, Tableau, Apache Storm, Apache Hive, and Pig, Presto, Apache Flink, Scoop, RapidMiner 9. These are the big data tools. Data storage and processing, we are using Hadoop. Data analysis purpose, we are using Pig. Data warehousing, we are using Hive tool. NoSQL database, we are using Cassandra. Real-time processing, we are using Spark. Messaging system, we are using Kafka, Databus. Top 10 best big data analytics tool: Tableau, visualization tool; Cloudera, platform as a service cloud; Teradata, it is a relational database tool; R programming, visualization programming; Spark, it is 100 times better than the Hadoop. It's a framework. It's a data analytics tool. Lumify, Talent, Microsoft, High Dimension Insight, Skytree, Pentaho, these all are top 10 big data analytics tools. How big data tools can help us? See Hadoop. Why we are using Hadoop? It is used to store, process and analyze big data. Why we are using Spark? It supports in-memory calculations, means read-only memory. The complete operation happens in-memory calculations. One time reading, then 100 times processing. Then Storm, it efficiently processes the unbounded stream of data. Cassandra, it provides high availability and scalability. And Mongo database, it provides cross-platform capabilities. Then these are the various tools I have already explained: Veka, Nime, RapidMiner, Orange, SAS, IBM. See, these all are commercial and open platforms. Big data programming tools like Hadoop, Cloudera, Mahout, Spark. Languages and programming platforms like R, Java, Python, MATLAB, etc. These are this slide I have already explained. Big data technologies areas I have explained already. Okay, so these are the cloud and SaaS, how big data and cloud integrates. See here, cloud supports apps and technology to software as a service cloud. Big data is integrated with the SaaS. Okay. So five big data use cases like customer sentiment analysis, behavioral analytics, fraud detection, predictive support, customer segmentation. These are a big data analytics process. We are using 6 steps. First one, deployment. First one, business understanding, data exploration, data preparation, data modeling, data evaluation, finally deployment. So data protection, internet security. How do you provide security algorithms in order to protect data in data level, server level, network level, and host level, and data center level? Big data security reduces, big data security can be a 3 types: data level security, network level security, and host level security. Big data security issues like access control, it is an issue. Non-relational data storage, endpoints, real-time security, data mining solutions, etc. So big data security and privacy for in order to maintain data management, integrity and reactive security, data privacy, infrastructure security. So big data security technologies like encryption, user access control, physical security, centralized key management, and these are the various big data security technologies we are using. Big data security use cases like cloud security monitoring, network traffic analysis, insider threat detection, threat hunting, incident investigation, user behavior analysis, data exfiltration detection. These are the various big data security use cases. Big data applications, especially banking and securities, insurance, transportation, education, media and entertainment, healthcare, and energy and utilities, manufacturing. So these are the various application areas like banking and security, transportation, communication, media and entertainment, education, real-time, healthcare, manufacturing and natural resources, insurance, etc. So these are the big data challenges like data quality, timelines, timeliness of analysis, data cleanup, storage and network, interoperability, access data, security and privacy, talent gap in data integration. Heterogeneous means different kinds of data errors, data analytics and system, etc. So these are the big data techniques like top 10 techniques. Starts with linear regression, ends with a priori algorithm. In between logistic regression, k-means clustering, principal component analysis, support vector machine, artificial networks, decision trees, recurrent neural networks. This is combination of clustering, classification, association rule mining, etc. These are the top 10 companies using big data like Amazon. They are using McDonald's, Netflix, General Electric, American Express, Swiggy, Starbucks, LinkedIn, Miniclip, Spotify. These all are using big data technologies. Then these are the top 10 best big data analytics tools I have already explained. Tableau, Cloudera, Teradata, R Programming, Spark, Lumify, Talent, Microsoft, Skytree, Pentaho. These are the big data tools and frameworks. I have already explained Hadoop, Spark, Flink, Hive, etc. Big data tools, already repeated slide. So this is a Spark architecture. In the top level, we have Spark supports R, SQL, Python, Scala, Java. Apache Spark having Spark Core API, application programming interface, like it supports SQL streaming, MATLAB, machine learning library, graphics, etc. So these are the applications I have explained already. Social network, cyber physical models, retail market, etc. These all are applications. Okay. These all are applications. I'm skipping because I want to execute the practical because of time. These are the challenges. Okay. I'm stopping here. Even Spark contents also available. No need to go into deep because of time. So this is the syllabus of Spark. Practical sessions are also available. Okay, these are the programs you can execute. I'm going to share.
Excuse me, sir.
Any doubts if you are having, please ask me.
We have 2 more questions on YouTube, sir. That is from
Sure, madam. Sure.
Kushi Sharma, faculty. She's asking that from where should we learn this full concept of scale, Kafka, Hive, or this big data concepts?
Madam, I'll give you my presentation slides. You can learn, you can execute many programs I have incorporated in this one. And YouTube is a best resource. You can learn many applications. See, I have executed many applications here. Now I'm going to demonstrate this big data application, hard data set, many real-time applications I'm going to show you now. How many of you know Python programming? See, I have installed a Python. What is the version? Can anyone? Hello, my dear friend. See, but my screen is available.
Yes, sir. Available. Visible.
Yeah. So the version is 3.12.0.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Python is a scripting programming language and interpreted programming language. See here, one sample program I'm writing. Write a Python program. Everybody knows, but it's still one small program. Then I'll go to direct applications. Okay, write a Python program to perform addition of two numbers. Okay, so A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4, C is equal to A plus B. See the output, C, 7. So this is called IDLE, Integration Development Learning Environment. Same program I'm going to execute in a scripting way. To move from scripting way, quit, you need to use quit. So here you can write a notepad space. You can write your own scripting. Add a dynamic dot. Okay. See, add a dynamic. So this is the program I have written. Num1, num2. Input of enter first number, enter second number, sum, float of num plus float of 2. Print sum. Now I am executing this Python space, add dynamic dot.py. Now see, it is asking, my screen is visible, madam. Enter first number 3, enter second number.
Visible.
So 7.0. Now I am going to execute applications here. Okay, you can see, suppose I'm developing a heart related application, heart data set. Suppose, see here, write a Python program. See, write a Python program to perform heart disease data set prediction. Whether, see, nowadays it is a common disease, irrespective of age. The people are dying because of a heart disease. Prediction. What are the symptoms? Sudden deaths behind of a heart disease. So I have collected the symptoms like, dimensions like attributes like age, sex, and CP, and test BPS, cholesterol, FBS, all sort of dimensions I am taking. Now I am performing this one. See here, C: users Dr.Asadi, I'm going to execute this one. So here, go to here, notepad space svm.py. So heart disease detection program. See now I am going to execute this same program. I'm reading all the columns names here. My screen is visible, madam? All
visible, sir.
Yeah, heart data set 1.csv. So now I'm developing a model by using support vector machine. I'm running the application. See, after a long time I'm executing because I haven't updated my libraries. So that's why I'm going to use this program and execute in a Google Collaboratory so that it is updated, executed environment, Google Colab, because Google company given Google Collaboratory executable environment. Here you can execute directly. Just copy paste your code. Okay, Control C and go to here. Now run the program. So how many of you having Google Collaboratory account? Please see here. Now it is running left side. Google Collaborator is a executable environment. Everybody can execute your own code. Okay. So it is asking some error because we haven't given input data set. Okay. So that's why you can ask even because our data set is related to one more example. I can take Control C. Okay, and you can execute this one. So because of input data set, it is asking just go to run the code. So still it is having a data set problem. Let me see one more example. I have executed here. One second. See, this is the program, linear regression, suppose. First application. See, this is the linear regression. This program you can execute. It will give you in this Google Collaboratory. See here. So write a Python program to perform linear regression on student performance. See, student performance marks. If you student can read 2 hours, he is getting 60 marks by using linear regression. Student reads 3 hours, he is getting 70 marks. So I'm write a Python program to perform linear regression to predict student marks within hours. See, now my screen is visible, madam. See, this is the program output.
Visible, sir.
Yeah. So second program, see one more program I'm going to show you, non-linear regression. So here just go to notepad space or directly notepad space non-linear. See non-linear. This is the code, Control C. Go to here, code. You can add it. This one. So here I am pasting. See, second program, non-linear regression. Write a Python program to perform non-linear regression. Now it is running. See now, output is available. See here, madam, my screen is visible.
It's visible, sir.
Yes, madam. Next, third one. Likewise, I am executing next application, logistic regression. Or see here, one more application. Support vector machine. So this program I am going to execute. Previously it was not run properly. Now see the difference. Now it is going to execute. So go to Google Collaboratory and paste this code. Now write a Python program. Still this power quality data set it is asking. One second. Decision tree classification. So because of input, I haven't supplied input here. That's why it is showing some error. So I am saying decision program, decision tree. So now write a Python program to perform decision tree. See now. Still some input data set we haven't supplied. That's why it is showing logistic regression. This program can run. So same student marks. Okay. So now I'm executing one more program here. Control C. Now run this program. It will run. Write a Python program to perform student, see here, student marks. This is the graph I have generated. Likewise, n number of applications we can generate with the help of this Python programming. Input data set, if you can take in your system, you can execute. So let me check in my system how many programs I have executed. STS. There are many programs are available. Okay. Even COVID-19 also available. So any doubts so far? You can execute all the programs in this one. Any doubts?
3 more questions, sir, on YouTube from faculty.
Madam.
Ramesh sir was asking, can you please provide any information regarding Kafka?
Yeah, Kafka related communication data bus. But if you are developing any web application, even in Python or Java, if you want to use any serial communication of a step-by-step in order to communicate or executed application, we are using Kafka. But right now, long back I have dealt with the Kafka. Right now I am not dealing that Kafka related programming. You can use that Python or Java in order to implement communication related execution environment, Django. Okay. Yeah. Next, any other queries?
One more, sir.
Sir,
Sharma sir was asking.
Madam.
sir, where do you get this data?
Yeah, there are 3 websites are available, like Google, repositories like GitHub, and you can go for Kaggle, UCI repositories. Please note down GitHub, Kaggle, www.UCI repository, UCI. Any other queries? Because, yeah.
So you're providing machine learning based
Yes.
on the big data.
Yes.
Means
Yeah. Tell me.
means big
Tell me.
big data also using for artificial intelligence.
Yes, yes. We have artificial intelligence techniques also. We are using
Okay, SAP,
artificial.
sir.
Yeah.
SAP.
Tell me.
SAP also big data.
No, SAP is a one technology. In order to process the big data applications, you can use
System analytical product. So analytics is the comes in the big data.
Yeah. Yes, it comes under big data. See, write a Python program to perform support vector machine. Now this program can run. See, support vector machine. Go to here. Run this application. Write a Python program to support vector machine for classification using iris data set. See, now I got accuracy is 100% because it is taking input data set from internet. Okay, iris data set from sklearn library is available in this Python. So that's why without error I am getting output 100% accuracy. Sir, your SAP also comes under big data application, sir. Any doubt?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. See, like this, you can execute a number of applications. And one more application I am executing right now. KNN. Suppose K nearest neighbor algorithm I would like to execute. Okay. So I am going to here use code and run this program. Write a Python program to perform K nearest neighbor. Now see, it is giving accuracy 96.66. My screen is available, visible, madam?
Yes, sir, visible, sir.
Yeah, any doubt, madam? Next, because I have another meeting with University of Newcastle. Please, within 5 minutes, any queries are there, please wind up the session, madam. Any doubts?
Last one more question, sir.
Yeah, please.
From Prajwal, sir.
Yeah,
How to control the data breaching while they are storing the data on the cloud?
What can you read once again, madam? Question?
Yes, sir.
How to validate?
Control the data breaching.
Yes.
While they are storing the data on the cloud.
Very good question. So for that one, what you have to do, you have to take on-demand service. I mean, the subscription. Then they are providing user credentials. Then you can load. There are some automatic tools are available. You can control your 1 terabytes of data very easily in systematic manner. Some plugins are available to manage your data in that cloud environment. Suppose Salesforce you are taking customer related applications, you can control the data. Suppose you are taking sensitive data, you have your own credentials, you can control the data. Very good question. Anyone? Next, any doubts, madam?
No
Please
more,
tell.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Please wind up the session, madam. Any feedback from participants? Please give me a live feedback. Whether you like the session or not. Any other queries with you? Yeah, please tell me.
Thanks, sir, to covering cloud, big data, machine learning, and a very good session, sir, for us. It is useful. Thank
Yeah.
you, sir.
Santosh, thank you. Any other feedback from participants? Please feel free to even at least express your views on this session. Hello, my dear friends.
From YouTube, many are saying that it was very good session, sir, informative session, sir.
Okay.
Thanks for providing such a beautiful session, sir.
Oh, very good, madam. Thank you, madam. You can have your vote of thanks, madam. No problem. Any other queries? I am ready to answer for your queries, my dear friends, or express your views on this lecture.
No more queries, sir.
Okay, madam.
Thank you very much, sir, for sharing a huge and valuable information on day one of this faculty development program.
Yeah, thank you, madam.
We really got a huge knowledge on big data and cloud computing today, sir.
Yeah, thank you, madam. Okay.
Hope all the faculty and participants got the information, and I also thank you all the participants and our principal, Dr. Sayed Suraya ma'am, and management to organize this session.
Okay, thank you, madam. Madam, this session is recorded, na? Yeah.
Yes, sir, it is recorded, sir. It's live YouTube.
Okay, madam.
Thank you, sir, once again. Feedback link will be shared in the chat box, and tomorrow session will be started at 10:30.